How to fix Instagram message notification on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix message notification on Android or iOS phone. First, go to Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Maybe you'll find here update, then click on it. And if that doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just go to settings. This one for Android phones, go to apps and then apps again, and once you are here click Instagram, then go to force stop and go to storage, clear cache. Now go to notifications and make sure all of those notifications are enabled. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.